Hello student, today I will discuss about select the odd one out. So four forms are given CGN, GKR, MQX and PTZ. So look at from C to Z how many digits are there? E, F, G. So three digits are there. From G to N how many digits are there? G, H, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So 7 digit. But in case of PTZ, you see that P2Z is PQ, P2T is PQRST. There is 3. But T2Z, I think there is difference is not 7 digit. So 5 digit or 5 digit. So PTZ is the odd one. So you can say PTZ is the answer. So next select the correct water image of the given figure. So 2A is the answer because it move upside down. So upside down in a vertical manner you move upside down. So you can see that A is the answer. So which of the following option will complete given figure in 4? So you see that 4 B is the answer. B is properly fit with the picture because other three are same as B. Which of the following character fifth to the right of seventh to right end of the given arrangement? So what do you see? 5 C is the answer. P. Here select the option which will repeat the question mark if same rules is followed in all the four figures. So 1 to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So A, B, C is in the third position. 2 plus 3 is 5. So E is in the fifth position. So 3 plus 4 7. So what is the digit in the seventh position? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So G is the answer. So I think G is the answer. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figure on either side of the double is to that mean proportion. Identify the relation. So what is the relation with one figure number 1 to figure number 2? Same relation with figure number 3 and figure number 4. So here look at there is a square and in the corner there is a circle, a concentric circle, and here look at the circle in the corner there is a concentric square. So square having circle corner and circle having square corner, that means do opposite thing. Here also do the same opposite thing and you can get the answer. So 11 B is the answer. In a square there is a triangle in the corner. So in this way you can get the answer. So which of the following view is given figure after 5 whole 1 by 4 rotation clockwise? So if I rotate 5 times, then you see that uh, a change to A is take the position of y is take the position of x is take the position of z. In this way, 1 after 1 by 4 rotation, you see that this is the answer. So A is the answer. Which of following Venn diagram is where explicit the relationship among book, chapter and topics. So in the book there is a chapter, and in the chapter there is topic. So you see that 6A is the answer. So Venn diagram is shown in such a way. In the innermost circle you see the topic, and after this there is a circle that shows the chapter, and after this there is the largest circle, that is book. So inside the book there is chapter, and inside the chapter there is a topic. So in this way you can show the Venn diagram. If Tanya is in the south of just in the east of Arti, then in which direction is Arti with respect to Tanya? So if you draw, then you get the answer D. D is the answer. Question number 13. Select a figure from which option which is not exactly embedded in the given figure. So which is not. So 13 D. D is not embedded because D having different type of figure. So D is not embedded. Here 14, count the number of rectangle in the figure. So total rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 rectangle. But here is no option 6. So none of this is the answer. In select a figure from the option which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. Next one, select the figure from the option which will continue the same as select the figure from which the option which is continue the same series as established by problem figure. So what is the figure come? The answer is 15. 15C is the answer. So you can get the answer 15C. Because after 1 there is 2, and after 2 there is 3, and after 3 there is 4. So 15C. 15C is the answer. How much less amount of money did Sandy donates than Pinky and Nancy together? How much less amount of money? So from the figure you see that which one is the answer? 22. 22B is the answer. Which next question come? Which of the following group of friend donates rupees 140 altogether? So in that case C is the answer. So C is the answer. Find the value of MMDCCLX minus MMDCCL triple I. So what is 24? Find the value of this one. So 24 is D. D is the answer. Which of the following dotted line is a line of symmetry for the given figure? So there are two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry. So which is properly fitted? C is the answer. N. N is properly fitted. So N is properly fitted. What is the difference? What is the difference between the weight of box P and box Q? You find out the two weight, and then you find out the weight of box P and box Q. So 32 B is the answer. The difference means you first find out the two weight and then subtracted it. Study the following given figure and select the correct option. Math number 33. PT is parallel to PQ, DC is perpendicular to AB, AF parallel to PT, EF is perpendicular to ED. So which one is correct? C is the correct answer. AF is parallel to PT. AF, look at here, AF. AF parallel to PT. Yes, AF and PT parallel to each other. So A parallel to PT is the answer. Which is the following option which replace the question mark in the same order as in the option to make a number sentence true? So 23 by 10. Now tell me which option is come. So put all the sign in proper way and find out the value on the left hand side and right hand side equal. So how can you do it? 34. C is the answer. C is the rightly fitted. So in the first box you put plus, in the second box you minus and do calculate it. And you can get the answer. If 1 by 4th of a number is 256, then 5 by 4th of a number is how much? So first find 1 by 4th of a number, 1 by 4 into 20, 256, and then 5 by 4, 5 by 4 of that number. So you take the number is x. So x into 5 by 4 equal to 44. Then you do the calculation and you find out the value of x, and that is 35. 35A is the answer. First you find out 1 by 4th of 256. And second you take the number become x in second case. So find out 5 by 4 into x. So 5x by 4 is coming. Now 5x by 4 is equal to 1/4 of 256. Is mean equal to here. So 35A is the answer. Raj observed the weight of a cylinder filled with gas, this 33.5, and if the weight of the empty cylinder is 14 kg 80 gram, then find the weight of the gas contained in it. So subtracted it, you can get the value, because in first case you get the weight of cylinder with gas, and second case you find out the only the weight of cylinder, then subtracted both the value, you can get the answer 41A. Saurabh travelled 120.67 km by car and some kilometer by bus and rest are by train. If he travelled 420.01 in total, then how much distance did he cover by train? So first you add car, bus, add car and bus and subtract it from 4 to 420.01. Then you get the answer. Rest, that means first you add 120.67 plus 136.45 and then subtracted this value from 420.01. So you get the answer 42B. The cost of 36 packet of paper napkins is rupees 216. How many packets of such paper napkin can be bought by 114? So 216 is the amount for 36 packet. 1 rupees is the amount for 36 by 216, and 114 is the amount. 114 rupees is the amount for 36 by 216 into 114, and do calculation, you can get the answer 43. 43 answer is D. In 2006, the number of primary school teachers in city is that, and in 2010 the number of primary school teachers is that. How many more teachers were in the 2010 than 2006? So subtract it, you can get the value 44. 44 answer B. If a family consume 5 liter 300 milliliter milk per day, then how much quantity of milk the family can consume in leap year? Leap year means 366 days. So one day you know. So 66 days, how can you find out? Multiply 5 liter 300 milliliter, change into liter, and then multiply it by 366. Then you get the answer. Answer is 45. 45B. First 5 liter 350 milliliter change to liter and then multiplied by 366. In 46, which of the following is correct? So do calculate it one by one. Roman number change to Hindu numerical numbers and then find out all the values one by one, and you get the answer 46D. Only and P and R is correct. Other is wrong. Math number 50. Study the following statement and given figure carefully and state T for true and F for false. There are 4 pairs of perpendicular lines. There are 8 acute angles inside the figure. There are 5 pairs of parallel lines. There is no obtuse angle inside the figure. So which one is the correct answer? Write T for true, F for false. So 50, D is the answer. Because look at first one is true. There are 4 pair of perpendicular lines. Second one is false. 8 acute angle less than 90 degree. 5 pair parallel line never meet each other. Obtuse angle more than 90, less than 180. So you can find out D is the answer. Look at the figure and find out the figure. Match the column with column B. 49. There are dash minutes in 6 days. So which one is correct? 49, C is the answer. C is the answer. So P matched with number 3. There is dash minute in 6 days. So in one day there are 24 hours, and in 24 hours 24 into 60 into 60 24 into 60, this is the number of minutes. Now multiplied by 6, so to 24 into 60 into 6, you can get the answer 8640. Now Q is 1. Dash meter must be added to 432 to get 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 360 plus 432 gives 1000. R dash half hours makes the full day. So how many half hours makes a full day? You can easily find out. 4 R4 answer 48.